Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your family album app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you come here to configure album. This is you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on visit settings. You just click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to display album visits. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.